Hello friends, welcome to Isha's Food and Lifestyle channel. How are you? Today we are going to make Ram Laddus, which is a Delhi special dish. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please like it, share it and subscribe this. Let's see what all are the ingredients which we need for this recipe. First of all, we need three type of lentils. First is split and skinned green gram. Second one is split and skinned black gram, and third one is splitted Bengal gram. You have to take these in ratio of 2:1:1. Like if you have taken 1 cup of the moong dal, which is split and skinned green gram, then you have to take half cup of urad dal and half cup of chana dal. Second, we need a white radish with the leaves. I have taken the leaves out and I have washed them properly with the clean water. Now we need some fresh mint leaves, 1 inch piece of ginger, 1 lemon, 2 green chilies, and 1 bowl of fresh coriander. And spices, we need some salt, some red chili powder, some cumin seeds, and asafoetida. So let's start it. First of all, we have to grind all our pulses or all our dals in the mixer grinder jar. So we have taken a grinder jar and some water. All the three dals are properly soaked and properly washed. I have washed them 3 to 4 times with clean and fresh water. Now I fill up the grinder jar till half of 3/4. I have added half of my total dal inside the grinder jar, and my grinder jar was also half filled. Now we'll grind the dal properly with a smooth thick paste. We have 3 main stages in this recipe. We have to make three main and different things. One is pakoras, one is chutney, and third one is radish salad. First we are preparing for pakoras, the Ram Laddus. Look, I have run 1 pulse in the mixer, and now I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and mixing up the dal again. Now I'll close the lid and again I'll grind them. This is very nutritious dish, friends. This is full of nutrition, as it has the nutrition of 3 different pulses, 3 different dals. This is very good for our children. Look, I have added again the water, and again I have grinded it. Now we will see the consistency. I have checked the consistency. Still it is yet to be grinded because it is somewhat grainy here. So we'll again grind it. And now I have grinded it finally, and this is the final consistency we need. This is a very smooth paste, like a cream. Look how thick this paste is. This is the perfect paste for making pakoras. We'll transfer this paste into a big vessel. You can take a big bowl also. This is because we have to generate aeration in this pulse mixture after grinding it. So we have to take a big vessel. Now again the second batch I have grinded here, and I'll add this mixture also in that vessel. Look how thick our paste is. Now we'll take a spoon and stir it continuously, very fastly. We have to move our hands very fast here because we want to generate the aeration in that. This is the same process which we use while making the dahi vadas. Now we will make some paste of white radish leaves. We have added some leaves here in grinder jar and some water, a little water, like 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. And now we'll grind it and make a smooth paste. Now that's done. Look how beautiful color is this. Now we'll add this paste. Look at the smooth paste here. Now we'll add this paste into the dal mixture As I said, this is a very nutritious recipe. This is full of nutritions. Like we have added the nutritions of three types of different dals, then the nutrition of green leaves, green reddish leaves. This is very very good for our whole family, our elders, our children and all, and of course for us also this is very very good. Now we'll add some salt and then we'll mix it. Finally we'll make the pakoras. I have heated some oil on medium heat, and I am adding the pakoras in this. I have taken some batter into my hands and slightly putting this into the oil. Be careful at this time because the oil is hot and you are using your hands. Now we'll take a spatula and move the pakora slightly. Now after 4 to 5 minutes, look at the color of the pakoras. It has changed to golden brown. How beautiful this color is. There is a slightly a light green color in this. This is because of the leaves paste which we have added. This is the difference between simple dal pakoras and ram laddus. In ram laddus we also have added the reddish leaves. And look at these small pieces of the mixture. They are very hard to take out but also tasty. Now we'll add the second batch into the oil. We'll fry the pakoras on medium heat. The second batch is also ready here. We'll take them out. How beautiful the color is, guys. Okay, now I'll show you the pakoras. How beautiful they are. Look, and how crispy they are. I'll show there. Look, I have taken one pakora and one ram laddu and I'm opening it. Look, this is a piping hot ram laddu. The outer layer is very very crisp and the inner part is very very soft and very creamy. Now we'll make the chutney. For that we have taken a grinder jar. In that I have added the reddish leaves, some mint and some coriander, 1 inch ginger paste, ginger piece, and some green chili. Green chili is according to your taste. I have a small daughter, so I am adding only one chili, one slightly spicy chili. You can add more as per your taste. And now I am adding one complete lemon, one whole lemon in 2 parts. Now we'll add some salt and some cumin seeds. Now with the help of water, I have added some water here. With the help of water we'll grind it and make a smooth paste. This chutney was very very delicious, guys. You can make it like for anything, like you can eat this with rotis and parathas also. This chutney was very very tasty. Please do try this at home. Now let's prepare the radish salad. I have peeled one medium radish, white radish, and removed its head. With the help of a grater we'll grate this radish. Look, I have grated the complete radish in this bowl. And now we'll add some more things. We'll take a hand chopper and we'll add this in some radish leaves, some green chili, some fresh coriander which I have chopped roughly, and we'll chop it. Just close the lid. Now we'll add this to mixture and salt and make the salad. Now our salad is ready, the chutney is ready, and the pakoras are ready. Let's do the plating. For plating, I have taken one plate and one katori, one bowl, and I am putting my ram laddus in this plate, and also in this the rest of all we'll add this in the bowl. Now we'll add the radish salad all around the pakoras, all around the ram laddus. Because of the size, their round size, they were not setting up properly. They are coming out and out and out. Now I have spreaded the salad all around the ram laddus, and now we'll add chutney to this. Take some chutney in the spoon and just drizzle it over ram laddus. Look how beautiful is this looking. How tempting is this? Now it's time for the bowl ram laddus. I have added some ram laddus, then on the top of this I have added the chutney, and on the top of that I will add the radish salad. And now as plating is done, please serve this as it is to your guest, and your guest will surely like it. Your family members will like it. How beautiful this is looking. Please do try this at home, friends. This is very healthy recipe, very different recipe, and winters are going on. This recipe is must to be cooked in your kitchen. So please cook it in your kitchen and make your family members and guests happy. This recipe's preparation is somewhat long, but the result is outstanding. Please do try this. Thank you for watching the video, guys. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.